Tired of tedious tasks eating up your precious time? Let's unlock the power of BloomBot on your iPad and supercharge your productivity in just a few simple steps. First, head over to the App Store and search for BloomBot. Once you find it, tap the Get button to download and install the app on your iPad. Now, open the BloomBot app. You'll likely be prompted to connect your relevant accounts, such as your email, calendar, or other productivity tools. This is crucial for BloomBot to automate tasks effectively. Explore the pre-made automation templates. BloomBot offers a variety of options to automate common tasks. Select a template that suits your needs, then customize it with your specific preferences. Think of things you do regularly and see if you can automate it. Once set up, BloomBot works quietly in the background, handling your automated tasks seamlessly. You can monitor its activity in the app's activity log to ensure everything is running smoothly. Congratulations! You've now harnessed the power of BloomBot to streamline your workflow and reclaim your time. Get ready to experience a whole new level of productivity on your iPad.